Everyone deserves a little color in their lives. Coloring is fun, easy, and has a lot of benefits. It reduces the thoughts of a restless mind, helps you immerse yourself in the moment, and is a relaxing bedtime ritual. Let's have some fun with this coloring kit that's suitable for all. First, we'll add some color to one of the bookmark designs. Use the brush pens included in this kit and begin with lighter shades first. Color each shape from the borders and then move in. Your bookmark comes perforated. Simply pop it out and you are set for your next read. Now let's try a bag tag. Select your preferred design from the book. Go for brighter colors that are easier to spot from a distance. Tie a ribbon and show it off to the world. And now, let's color a coaster. Pick a design that complements your favorite mug. Make sure it's the most refreshing thing you'll see in the day. Laminate your artwork for durability. And say cheers! Let's make everything colorful.